Good morning, students. Sairam. So, students, we have completed our syllabus, and now in this video, I am going to show you the topper's copy of Board Examination 2019. So, start discussing that. Now, this is the set A. Question number 1 is Das is a managing director of Gamut Limited, manufacturing different varieties of cheese. He has an efficient team working under his, consisting of Rajat, the production manager, and the Vinay, the marketing manager, and Adit, the finance manager. They understand and interpret the policies made by Das, ensure that their department have adequate manpower, assign them the necessary duties, and motivate them to achieve the desired goal. State 1 the function other than those mentioned above that this team may perform at level they are. So, students, I show you that toppers sheet. The reason behind it that I want to explain you that how you solve the question paper to get maximum marks, or how you present your sheet, your answers in a perfect manner. So this is very helpful. Listen carefully and watch carefully. Now, the answer of the first question is he is working at a middle level, okay? And another function is they have to cooperate in the other department for smooth functioning of their organization. Now, next one is differentiate between authority and responsibility on the basis of flow. So, what is the meaning of authority and what is the meaning of accountability? Authority means, and next one is differentiate between responsibility and accountability. First of all, you have to understand what is the meaning of authority and what is the meaning of responsibility and what is the meaning of accountability. Accountability means answerability. Responsibility means obligation to do a work, and authority means power to take decision. So, authority and responsibility, authority flows downward and responsibility also flows, no, it is flows upward. Now, next question is what is mean by rule, or the another is define organizing. This is a very simple rule, is a method which give us how to do a work, or rules. Basically, it is the restrictions and the policies which we follow to do any task. And organizing means to organize anything. Next question is state any two characteristics of directing and give the meaning of management by exception. So, students, the answer is management by exception means identify only magnificent deviation in controlling power which help to resolve them. So, management by exception means you have to fix the exception limit, and after that find out the situation, the deviation which we have to eliminate from our task. Now, next one is Kamal is working as a gang boss in a assembling unit of Sokia Limited. Often, so students, this is the another optional question, okay? So, Sokia Limited, a laptop manufacturing company, he supervises the work of 10 trained workers who perform the various activities related to the assembling of the laptops. So, one day when he was supervising the work of his worker, he told Ashok, a worker, that his work could be improved. The Ashok interpret the comment of Kamal as that his work was not good. Identify the type of the barrier to the effective communication. Look, student, the barrier is eliminated from your subject, so we will leave this. Now, next is this market helps to save time. Who save time? Let's read the rest of the question. This market helps to save time, effort, money that both buyer and seller of the financial asset would have to otherwise spend to try and find each other. Now name the market and identify the function. The market is financial market and the function is reducing the cost of transaction. So this is the another thing. Next one is Kumar wanted to purchase a fuel efficient car having the latest standard regarding the minimization of the pollution. He saw an advertising offering such the car was displayed in the discussion. The marketing manager told him that the company is providing credit facility, maintenance services and many other effective services which can be help in bringing repeat sale and developing brand loyalty. Now identify the marketing function which the marketing manager was discussing with Kumar. So students, we have what we have to identify the marketing function which the marketing manager was discussing with Kumar. So the managing function is customer support device customer support services. So it is the another key or element of marketing function which we directly give the support or resolve the problems of the customer. Next one is 8th. Ultra Television Limited is offering is its 90s TV set at a discount of 15,000 for a period of 1 month starting from 1 March 2095. Now identify the sales promotion technique. So students, sale promotion technique has been deleted from your syllabus but the answer is discount or rebate. Next question is explain any 3 points of importance of planning and function of management or explain any 3 limitation of function. So 3 limitations like planning increases continuity. Students look how this answer is presented by the topper. Look here. The limitation of planning function number 1 is planning may not work in a dynamic environment. He also gives an example which is situation based on that narration. Second, planning reduces creativity. Look here how he explain by showing in a picture, by making a picture, worker 1 and worker 2. Now third one is planning does not guarantee success. So these 3 are the planning limitations. The way he present is very good and you also follow that way. Now question number 10 is distinguish between formal and informal organization on the basis of the following. So formal and informal is also deleted from your subject, from your syllabus. Now next question is explain the vestibule and apprenticeship programs as method of training. Students, it is an offline method. Okay. Vestibule is a offline and internship is a online, we can say that on the job training. Now vestibule means if we create a artificial working environment so that we explain our workers how to deal with a new machine, with a new technique. So this is a vestibule training. And apprenticeship training means like a plumber or a electrician who guide, who train his subordinate, his junior or a new employee that how to do a work at that job point. Okay, like look here how he explained this. Now next question is one of the function of Security and Exchange Board of India is promotion of fair practices and code of conduct in security market. State the category to which this function belongs and state any other 2 functions. Student, look how he present the function, we have many functions, but promotion of fair practices and code of conduct comes under the protective function. Now, in same categories, its other functions are prohibition of fraudulent activities and unfair practices and protection function, or we can say that protective function. Now, next one is question number 13. G Motors, in the manufacturing of sophisticated cranes, the production manager of the company reported to the chief executive officer Ashish Jain that one of the machine is used in manufacturing sophisticated crane had to be replaced to compete in the market, as other competitors were using automatic machine for manufacturing cranes. After a detailed analysis, it was decided to purchase a new automatic machine having the latest technology. It was also decided to finance this machine through term sources of finance. Ashish Jain compared various machines and decided to invest in the machine which would yield the maximum return to its investor. So now in this question, identify the financial decision taken by the Ashish Jain. So it is they are in this question, uh, they are talking about what financial decision, financial sorry, they are talking about the investment. So it comes under the investment decision. Now, three factors which affect the investment, like cash flow of the project, like it gives a situation, the company won 10 lakh, then 9 lakh, 5 lakh, and rate of return, what he get, and investment criteria, what the criteria he used. Okay, look how he present this question. Now next question is, explain any four feature of business environment. The four feature of business environment is totality of external forces, specific and general forces, and relativity and interrelatedness. So these are the four features. Now next is the next part is, yeah, Kunal joined a shop level manager in the production department of a textile company in the year 2005. Because of his good work, he becomes a deputy production manager of a company in the year 2010. He had the status and prestige, and he was well respected by all the company. On 1st March 2019, he was promoted as a general manager of a company. Kunal was very happy on his promotion, as now he had become what he was capable of becoming. As a good manager, Kunal decided to motivate his subordinate. After understanding the need hierarchy theory, which is based on the various assumptions, he realized that people's behavior is based on their needs, and the manager can influence the behavior of his employee by satisfying their needs. Now the question is, one of the assumption of need hierarchy theory is stated in the above paragraph. State other three assumptions. So the number one assumption which is given is human needs are in the hierarchical order. So number one is individual moves up above in the need hierarchy only if first need is satisfied. Second, the need of Kunal which is are being satisfied through the promotion. Okay, next first one is promotion, second esteem need, and third one is self actualization need. So three basic need which is fulfilled as we talk about through the Maslow's theory. Number one is promotion, number two is esteem need, and third one is self actualization need. Now question number 16. Food India Limited is a company engaged in the production of the packaged juice since 2010. Over this period, a large number of competitors have entered in the market and are putting a tough challenge to Food India Limited. To face this challenge and to increase its market share, the company has decided to replace the old machinery with an estimated cost of 100 crores. To raise the finance, the company decided to issue 9% debenture. The finance department of a company has estimated that the cost of issuing the 9% debenture will be 10 lakh. The company wants to meet its flotation cost. Explain the instrument that the company may issue for this purpose. So, student, um, the instrument which the company uses is commercial paper, because it is a short term negotiable promissory note, is also used as a short term and so the the instrument which they use is commercial paper. Okay, now which type of financial market is it? Is a short term, for the short term period, so it is a primary market. Now next one is define the consumer according to the provision of the Consumer Protection Act. So who is the consumer? Consumer who consume good. Okay. Now next one is explain any four factor which affect the fixation of price of a product. So what are the factors? Product cost, utility and demand, government policies, rules and expectation or extent of competition. Now next one is look student how he explain production cost, and then utility of demand is also explained by a drawing, by a example. Okay, now next one is next one is so the last question of section C. Smart Stationery Limited wants to raise fund of 40 lakh for its new project. The management is considering the following mix of debt and equity to raise this amount. The capital structure is equity 40 lakh, debenture no. In a first situation, in a second situation, equity 30 lakh and debt 10 lakh. In a third situation, equity 10 lakh and debt 30 lakh. And the rate of interest on debenture is 9%. Face value of each equity share is 100 each. Tax rate is 30%. And EBIT income or earning before interest and tax is 8 lakh. So you have to find out which of the three alternatives will be the able to take advantage on a trading on equity. So first of all, we write the capital structure: equity 40, debenture 0 in a first situation. Second situation, equity 30 and debt 10 lakh. So in third situation, equity 10 lakh and debt 30 lakh. So first of all, the total capital is 40, 40 and 40 in all the situation. Now earning before is 8 lakh, 8 lakh, 8 lakh in all three situation. Now we less the interest on debenture. So we calculate the 9% of debenture. Here in a first situation, debenture is nil, so it is also here nil. Now in second situation, 9% of 10 lakh is 90,000 and 9% of 30 lakh debenture is 2,70,000. Now after deducting this amount, the earning before tax is 8 lakh, 7 lakh, 10 lakh is 10,000, 5 lakh 30,000. Now we have to deduct the 30% tax, and tax is 30%. 30% of EBT means 8 lakhs. 30% of 8 lakh is 24000, and 30 same as in both situation, 2 lakh 13 and 1 lakh 59. Now we have to deduct this tax from the EBT, and earning after tax is 5 lakh 60, 1,97,000 and 3,71,000. So now we have to calculate earning per share. Now earning per share is earning after taxes 5,60,000. Now we divide that with the number of equity share, and after dividing we get 14%, 14, 16.56 and 37.1. So according to this, third situation is more profitable for a company. So student, this is the last question of section C. Now in next video we will continue with the section D. Thank you, Sairam.